Hello, and hi to this long-awaited video that I should have done sooner. Oh well. So, yeah, I recorded this on my birthday, and then I edited this after. Whoops. Let's open it. Here's a knife. Okay, then. So, inside the box is a getaway. Okay, and it's a box. What kind of box is it? What's inside the box? I want to open it, but I really don't want to open it because it's just a really nice box and okay. And it's open it! Okay, here's the note, and I'm gonna read it because I can't focus it. It says, "Our goal is for you to be 100% happy with your new Huion product. If you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us and we shall be glad to help you in every way possible. Customer service email, Skype Huion. Get your Huion warranty and more." Okay, and a bunch of other things. Okay, so this is me from the everything's from the I can't what am I doing? Okay, so the one that was ordered from Amazon, the box art is different. It also says it has a stand. I couldn't find the stand. Whatever. Okay, this is me from the future. Again. So, apparently I probably got the correct one. I don't know anymore. I was supposed to get a stand, and now I'm more furious because on both sites, on both pages for both tablets, they're exactly the same except one's more expensive than the other. But they both say that they come with a stand, and now I'm more furious that I didn't get a stand. Why? At least give me those gloves. I didn't get any of those gloves either. Why? I'm serious. I am actually furious. I opened up my box again and everything, and I still... This is me with the box. Is plastic on the inside, holding everything in place, and there's no stand. How dare they be no stand? If you're gonna have an Amazon page and it says, "Hey, we're going to deliver something," you might as well deliver out on it, not hold something back. Shut up! I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the microphone! Future me editing again. Apologies for that. I just really wanted a drawing tablet stand. My sister was talking to me. The microphone didn't pick it up, so it sounded like I was yelling at no one. Apologies for that. Sorry. I mean, I've already been using this for like a week or so I don't think I can refund it. So, whoops. Maybe? I don't know. Okay, so here's the tablet, and it's actually bigger than I expected. I hear 13-inch, and I try to get a ruler. And this is a lot more bigger than I expected, so... Okay then. Okay, so... Here's a wire, and another wire. Here's a plug. Here's the pen, and the pen holder. Okay. I'm just going to figure I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first display tablet. Don't judge me. Okay, so, plug it in. Nope, not working. What am I doing? Instructions. Help me. Press the button. Nope. One moment, please. Okay, so, it took me a while to figure out, but, it's a 3-in-1 cable, so you need all 3 cables plugged in. One of them is connected to a outlet, and then 2 of them HDMI, and a USB-A is plugged into your computer. And then you plug that to the Huion. Okay then. Okay. I think I got to work. It doesn't come with a driver disc, so you have to install the drivers online. And like an idiot, I forgot to record that. Whoops. So, you know what? Let's do some tests. Slow diagonal lines. Straight oh wait, let me get a ruler. I don't know where I put my ruler. This is straight enough. It's like a ruler. Okay, so straight lines. Fast lines. It seems to be working alright, so I'm gonna draw the thumbnail for this video. Fun thing. Not really. For some reason it worked, at first it didn't work with paint tool side at all. After I got to work, that's when I did the test. And now, take a look. What the hell? Seriously, what the hell? Okay, okay then. I mean, I got a simple solution. All you do is go to Others, Option, put to Pen, Repeat, but put it onto Mouse. And there we go. Works as it's supposed to. And if you slide your mouse or the pen off the tablet again and then put it back, it's gonna do the exact same thing, so. Okay. Let's see. The tablets from last time, they went to their newly respective owners. One of them was my cousin. She named the drawing tablet Timmy and said that the drawing tablet's a guy. And then she proceeds to make fun of me for naming my computer monitor Miranda. So I'm gonna name my tablet Huion because it's like the HU from Huion. It's the canvas. She told me not to name it Pro 13. So I'm gonna call it Huion 13 inch. Maybe not inch. Huion 13. There we go. I mean, I liked it, but I think I was just really excited. I went to a lot of, let's see. I went through lots of ups and downs that was not recorded. So, I mean, I like it, but I said that I would have loved it. But I don't. Not necessarily. It has its pros and cons. In Clip Studio Paint, it works really well. It's really smooth. But, in Paint Tool side, that's where my real gripe is. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. I don't understand why it's 3-in-1. The moment, if you were to take this somewhere with you, you have to take the portable. You need to plug it into a wall, but also bring a computer or a laptop to that. Make sure that computer or laptop has a HDMI and USB A, and then it will probably work. It's nice. Amazon probably sent me the wrong one. I was sort of excited for the stand, but I never got it. I guess it's more or less the situation of you get too excited that you're let down by yourself, and that is what happened to me. So what I'm going to do now is just, I don't know. I don't mean to put a somber note on it. I just happened to. That sounds bad. Positivity. What to make of the. I don't know. I really don't know. Have a nice day.